Hey YouTube, this is Curious Kathy, and on this travel vlog, we are in the US, near Crescent City in Northern California, visiting the tallest trees in the world, and they are the Redwoods. So with further ado, let's dive into the video. And we are approaching the Redwood National State Park. And look at how foggy it is. We're up to see at the Redwoods. Let's start. And there's the map. Coast Redwoods. Check that out. Go more and more into the forest. So we are at the Redwood National Park, and this is our first stop. There's a nice beach area here. As you can see, kind of reminds me of a Twilight movie, if you ask me, where they have the scene in La Push, at the beach of La Push. This is so cool. And we are approaching the trees of mystery. As I was saying, we are at the Trees of Mystery Klamath Town. We're going here, the Trees of Mystery.
I'm glad you're here. Go ahead and get your picture taken with me if you like. I'll stand real still for you when you do it.
Gosh, he weighs 30,000 pounds? Concrete base.
It needs to diet, doesn't it?
There we go. And this guy. I think this guy's also 30,000 pounds. Both? Oh, wow. Videos along the way. So we just got through there. And it's 30 bucks per person. If you're seniors, 25 bucks. Oh, look at this huge tree. Okay. Okay, we found Bigfoot. There he is. He's been hiding here all along. Check this out. Oh, let's go. And this is the upside down tree. Oh, the tree has fallen. Fell down from there. Oh man, see how big that is? And check this one out.
This is the fallen redwood giant and octopus tree. This famous group of amazing trees appeared in Ripley's Believe It or Not cartoon. Here you may see one of the most interesting, unusual, and remarkable creations of nature to be found any place in the entire world.
Whoa.
Here before you is a
180 feet. Check this out. Oh. I was just talking to that guy downstairs, and this is how you gotta do it. You gotta climb through these stairs, like 1, 2, 3 set of stairs to go up the canopy. And we're up! Oh my goodness. Woohoo! And there's Yoda. Hey Yoda. Now we're gonna check this out. We're gonna go on the Canopy Bridge. Woo! Okay, Matthew, go. Hold it. Look. Okay, go. And Matthew's gonna go. Okay. He's 250 pounds. 250? 250 pounds going on the bridge. The Canopy Bridge. Okay, Matthew. And he has gone through. Woo-hoo-hoo. Okay, I guess it's gonna be my turn. My turn. That's Matthew again. He's going through. And we're gonna show you guys how high are we. There's some people there. We are way up. Check this out. And we just came from there. And we were there before. Right there. You see that? Down there, where those people are. And look how far we are. Whoa, we are so much high up. Wow. Okay, those people are crossing and Matthew is on the other side. There's Matthew. Wave your hand, Matthew. That's him. Oh, yeah, a lot of people crossing. There's another guy crossing. And if you want to see, way down, we're going to go that way. See, I go down. You want to see the trees? Oh, wow, oh my God, they're so tall. These trees are humongous. Okay, ooh, okay, I'm gonna go. My turn again. And there is Matthew. He's on the other side. He's way ahead of me. So we're going down now to the, I think the railway. So he's going down there. He's gonna wait for me there. Okay. And there's people down there. You see that? And Matthew's on that side. So, wow. Okay, we're going that way.
Yeah, we gotta go then.
And now it's off to the Sky Trail. It's like a small cable car. So let's go. Bridge on the other of the Redwoods. Okay, we are here at the Interpretive Center with the Brotherhood. It's asking for the Brotherhood tree. I'll show you which one is the Brotherhood tree. It's over there. There's the Brotherhood tree right there. And in the middle of it all is a bathroom. Yay! And this is the Brotherhood tree. You see how big it is? The thing is huge. We took a couple of pictures over there. So, I don't know, Matthew's taking a picture over there, but let's go. Where are we gonna go? Over here?
Step right here, yeah.
Oh, it's gonna move. So maybe. Oh, this is a Self-serve cable car. Okay, we're going in. And we're in. Bye-bye. For 30 bucks. Not bad.
Well, you get the whole park as well too,
Yeah. And
and a canopy.
the canopy, let us remind everybody, there's a lot of activity here. You have to go up and the stairs to get to the canopy. Okay, look at that. And we're moving. And as I was saying, there's a lot of activity and I lost my breath. Trying to get canopy. Okay. Oh, there's somebody there. There's another people. Okay, it was just, I guess, this part.
Swinging back and forth.
And we're swinging back and forth. We're going up.
We're
Okay.
going back down again.
And we rode that sky trail. So you can ride the sky trail back down, up to the wilderness, the mountain, and up in the mountain and down as well. Or you can take a hike down. Your choice. If you want to be more adventurous, take the hike down. And we're up. And we are going down again. And there's another one coming up. I guess that's why we're slowing down on this area. See another one. There's wood carvings. Something about Paul. I guess the people who built this place. These are the things you encounter when they were building this place. Bugs and snakes and alien. These are mosquitoes. And a super duper snooper, I'm not sure what that means. And sourdough Sam. Did I mention there's a lot of walking? Yes, there's a lot of walking and hiking. Check out these wood carvings. Okay, to sum up this Trees of Mystery here in Klamath, town of Northern California. It is worth it. $30 for adults and $25 for seniors. Kids, of course, is a lot cheaper, but if you ask me if it's worth it, yes, it is. It is worth it. And we loved it. Me and Matthew loved it, especially the canopy. And with the bridge, it's really nice. It's something else. Like, it's a different experience. So, when you're in Northern California, on the border, going to the border of Oregon and towards Crescent City, go to this place. Highly recommended. And here we are at the tour through tree. Ta-da! And Matthew's gonna attempt to go in. Let's see if Matthew can do it. Wait a second. Okay, we are back at the tour through tree, and we're gonna see if Matthew can go in. More, a little more. Okay, stop right there. Cool, Matthew. Hold on. Okay, Matthew's going through. Okay, not towards me. See, you went through. We got through. Yay! Matthew got through. And we're done. I'm gonna take a picture of this cool tree. Wow. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, but just to clarify, I know many are more aware of the sequoia trees. They are considered the largest in the world. However, the redwoods are considered the tallest in the world. So you gotta put this in your bucket list. By the way, this video is brought to you by the Walls Villa Tagaytay. We provide accommodations when you're in Tagaytay. And stay safe and God bless. And remember to enjoy your life. See you in the next video.